Okay, for this project, set up a square, tape measure, pencil, and a knife. Obviously, you don't use caulking. You use the Cove Base glue. Well, yeah, cement, glue, paste, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, to do a corner right here, you get your Cove Base. Your Cove Base is going to be a lot stiffer than this. This is the rope kind, or the very flexible kind, so it's not that good. Anyways, to make the corners, what you do is you go ahead and measure it from the other wall. Make sure you cut it a little bit longer. Put it from the edge, run it all the way down, stretch it a little bit, not too much. Stretch it, hold it right there on that corner. You can either grab your pencil and mark it a little bit. We normally do is we kind of cut the top of it a little bit. Then what you do is you flip it over. You'll find out where your line is because you scuffed it or you marked it. You get your square. Okay, this is where you marked it. You're going to put your square on it, align it like this. Then you're going to put this on the ground. Where's my mark? Right here. So you find it, then you lightly score it. Score it here. Okay? And then it'll make a line. I don't know if you can see that. What you do is you're going to bend this over, and you're going to basically bend it until it breaks. If it doesn't break, go ahead and score it a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Okay, then you pop it like this. Then you'll see it separating all the way straight through. What you're going to do, I don't know if you guys can see this, but you're going to grab, it kind of creates a small little valley in between. You're going to grab that and you're going to basically cut the edge off of this, basically making it on a 45-degree angle. Don't go all the way to the top. By the way, this is the top. This is the bottom. So you're going to score it on both sides. Again, this is a lot harder to work with because it's your flexible material. And don't slice your fingers. You need them to cook or to be a bartender, Matt. Or to run the place, whichever thing you want to do. Anyways, once you got that done, on the bottom what you're going to do is you're going to cut that much off of it. Okay? Let's see, this corner, no, this is for the inside corner, so you don't cut it. Anyways, now you bend it the other way, put it back on the wall, and that gives you a nice straight edge. Measure it back again. That looks really good. Make sure that it sits on the ground a little bit. Okay, that it bends to the ground. So how you glue it, you extend it. You glue it, you put 3 lines. Here, here. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of do it. I'm going to wipe it. You do 3 lines like this. Okay, don't get too far from the top. And then you do the same thing on this side. You grab it, put it on the corner first. Grab a rag, which I don't have one. Grab a rag and wipe it towards this way. So this way it can stick. And then the same thing on that side. Now, when you're trying to joint, you know, a piece over here, you got to make sure you have a straight piece. Same thing. You get up here, you put it on a square, and then you cut it. This time you cut it all the way through. Don't cut too much. just basically pop it like that, and that gives you a perfect edge, so you can join it to the next one like that. And that's pretty much about it on that. So knife, utility knife, square, tape measure, obviously measure what you need to do, and I left you guys some bottles of this caulking for your Cove Base glue.